or built up pressure. And once it is released, wherever we get our breakout, once it's released, we should expect a nice little pop. And that, when I say a nice little pop, that's relative to an intraday basis. And now I want to say something very important here. Now we have our latest support level 1 here. Now this is support 2, this is support 3, this is resistance 1, this is resistance 2. So after this bar here, after this bar, and this bar, remember, is not support until you see that green bar form, then bam. But look what we have here. We have red, green, alternating. This is a 1 hour consolidation. This is a consolidation pattern. But the trend is also down, and with each successive low, the support level drops lower and lower and lower. And see how when you have a range this tight, and support 1, support 2, support 3 are very close together like this type of consolidation, you don't want to enter until price breaks out of all 3 of these, because the range is too tight and that makes the risk reward too low. So now really, when it's this tight, and this is kind of an exception, but it's a logical exception, because when it's this tight and it's consolidating, it's not telling you anything. It's not giving you any true signal here. You know, we don't have really a breakout or a sufficient breakout to make us want to do something here. So look here where we have our support level 3, the lowest level of support, and now we get our lowest low again. Okay, price tests support level 3, did not break. Okay, this, when we go forward here, now this is our latest, and this high on this green bar here, okay, because we're following the same pattern all the way down, but we're just not doing anything yet because the range is too tight. Excuse me. Okay, but now we get down here, that's the lowest red bar, we get a green, bam, we don't have to draw a new support level here because it's already a support level here. We already know this is support level 3, but once it turns green, that's a turn or an attempt to turn. Okay, now we follow the green up, bam, we get a down bar. So now we draw our resistance line right here at the extreme high of this green bar. Now we have a breakout, but the pullback did not come all the way back here and test. Once again, we call that a blow through. I mean, price blew down through, pull back up, but not close to prior support, which is now new resistance 1. And when you see that, what have we learned so far? If a support or resistance level is broken and it is not tested, do not trust that move. So here, even though we had a breakout here, then we had a continuation down, I would not enter here because we want to pull back up to resistance, which is the broken support level, now resistance, and we have our closest green bar to the broken support level right here. So we want to enter on a pullback up to here, and we want to optimally enter short here at the green bar. If we don't get that and the move continues down and blows through, that's not a safe entry. That's not a safe entry. And I can almost guarantee you, if you enter down here, the operators are going to pull you up here to test. They're going to test your resolve, okay, and try to shake you out here. So you may as well wait until it pulls back anyway, because if you enter when it doesn't pull back, okay, think if I'm an operator, I'm going to take you back here, because now you've entered, and that's really a head fake. Many times a move is not a true move. Most moves, you have to remember this, most moves are moves to suck in players into the market. Most moves are to suck in players into the market. They're not moves that establish true direction. And in my opinion, this is what we have in this situation here. Now, it doesn't always play out that way, not at all, but probability wise, most of the time it's going to happen that way. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, and we're going to pick up in the next section, section 5, and continue our little lesson here on dynamic support and resistance. And you can see how each 2 or 3 bars reestablish a new dynamic support or resistance level. So I'll see you in next section, section 5.